Hello and welcome to this video on how to withdraw your funds. Okay, so this is quite a simple process. Log on to your VT Markets. You'll go into your account. There is a withdraw funds button just on the left. And what we need to do first is we need to verify your address. Okay, so once you've gone into the funds, press withdraw funds, there'll be a verification required, okay? Select that, and then now what we do is we verify now. It gives us a few options, okay? Utility bill, these are quite common documents, bank's documents, or valid ID. Okay, submit whatever you're comfortable submitting. Okay, this takes a few minutes just for them to verify. Once you've loaded them, just press continue and follow the instructions on the screen. Now you can see your verifying is just getting processed. Okay, now you can see your profile has been verified, which is excellent. Okay, now we select back to homepage. Now we go withdraw funds. Okay, now this is going to give you the actual option to put in the amount that you would like to do. Click withdraw funds. It would take you to a page where you can put in your amount. Up in the box above, it tells you the amounts that's available. So here on this example, they have put 500. Just to be clear, since a trade-in credit was previously applied, okay, a proportional amount of that credit will be deducted based on the withdrawal amount. Okay, so just be clear to read that little statement that's mentioned. But everything's fine from that point of view, no problems. Hit withdraw funds. Just to be also very clear, the deposit the withdrawal needs to be back to your card that you used to deposit the funds with. Okay. If you wanted to change it for any further later withdrawals, then that's not a problem, but it always has to go back to the destination of the account holder's name, which is yourself. For example, if you wanted to change it to crypto or to another bank account. Here, you would just select the withdraw now, and then it processes it, and then the funds will be with you very quickly. It's very good with VT Markets, and that's a very simple video on how to withdraw the funds. So thank you, and cheers. Bye.